It's day one. We're going to start building, excavating all the pool. We've marked out all our pegs for the pool and we've used CAD to put a program onto the total station and walk around with it and gives us our points. And then we scalp off all the topsoil so we're not wasting any nice soil on site. And then we're going to put in our deep drainage to keep all the water away from the pool as we're digging and working with it. Oh. We're going to test see how the ground drains. So obviously there's a river quite close by, isn't it? So we just want to make sure that we've put enough infrastructure in to drain the pool as we're working with it, and that once we have finished the job, we can drain the pool and not have any problems like water coming underneath the liner and bubbling and all that kind of stuff. We've dug down to the bottom of our pool, plus a little bit more, just to see what groundwater's doing. As you see, it's filling up quite fast. So we'll just have to do a lot of dewatering while we do this project. No, we'll just have to put good trenching in and keep pumps going to get rid of all the water.
We had this phone call from site saying that the first hole they dug was filling up with water, and it turned out there was a lot of land drains that crossed the site which we didn't know about, and this meant that the hole was filling up with water, so we had to come up with a plan to dewater the site so they could first of all dig, but secondly it meant that the ground underneath the pool was very wet. It was running sand. It wasn't really possible to dig as deep as we'd hoped, so we had to create this 1.60 metre depth for our client. We had to actually lift the pool higher in the site. So Catherine's drawn a deep drain in a horseshoe around the top of the pool, and this intersects all the angled field drains that come in at about 1 metre below ground level. And you can see here the section drawing. The drainage we've done is about 1 metre deep and it's about 600 millimetres wide. It's a great big civil engineering ditch that runs all the way around the pool, and it means that we can capture all the ground drains and divert that to lower down this bottom manhole and dewater around the pool, and this will keep the pool dry. Now we also have drainage underneath the pool as well. We've got a blanket drain and we have about 300 millimetres of gravel filled with perforated pipes, and these again go to a manhole so we can suck water away from underneath the pool. So we've really shored up the drainage so that we can continue with a concrete-free build.